Na only solar panel go power this Sumo. This idea wey I dey show you for this video again, e go solve your problem because it don already help many people. This one na to use only solar panel to power Sumo, power electric cooker inside kitchen. See the sticker of the Sumo. Na 90 volts DC na im be the maximum voltage wey the Sumo go use. You go use the same solar panel alone, no battery needed, no inverter needed, no charge controller needed. Just only solar panel to power Sumo. Using manual changeover, take select between Sumo and electric cooker inside your kitchen, your pressing iron them, and your blender where you go use the blend your pepper, your juice, where you go the chop better, where we say problem, it go run far away from your side, where we say you go the happy. This Sumo, where we want put inside that borehole now, you see the theory of Bonga engineer. They don't dey there. One put them. This solar panel go generate electricity from morning till evening to power all the appliances. I bet you think say you feel use am for night. Take pump water for night. Umba. Now only daytime you go use them. May we go front, go show you the solar panel. Now the ogbonge 6 pieces of 300 watt solar panel now on the see so. Each of them na 41 volts then they bring. Where we say the total voltage na 251 volts be the open circuit voltage when load never dey there. When you post load there, it go reduce to 230 volts to power the load proper. When you use some power cooker, may we show you the installation. The professional engineer has already set to install all the manual changeover for the load selection on the solar panel. That inverter with the charge controller you are seeing there have no relationship to do with the solar panel configuration. It's for the workers to charge their phone alone. May you look and they learn how you go do your own if you be installer. Where you go use this one, take solve your problem. Where we say high blood pressure go run comot for your side, and you no go get attack because you go the heat every time where you want heat. You go the pump your water every time. This place where we they do this one na farm where we say then they train fish, train chicken, train different animal where then they use water time by time. The connection of this panel be say you go series the panel 2 and you go bring their cable come here. You go they connect their cable to each of the changeover. The voltage where they enter each of the changeover na 82 volts. Since one solar panel they bring 41 volts. If you series 2 together, it go give you 82 volts. You go bring the positive and negative come inside each of the changeover. There. We generate this idea for una free. May una do am by una self. If you be installer, do am by yourself. If you no be installer, you feel reach out to us. May we collect chicken money for your hand. Take do am for you. We na engineer we be, but this idea, if you dey watch this YouTube channel, every time you go see some idea, na free we release them. Na the driver of that DC Sumo now we carry where engineer they install. So engineers already mounted the controller for the Sumo. Now all the solar panel cable go enter the load side for that knife switch changeover for down. Now there the wiring we go supply to the Sumo. Now there go there. So all the changeover go they connected in parallel. For down, all the negative will be connected in parallel across the 3 manual changeover. We go they change the electricity them. So the positive, now the same thing. You go parallel all the positive connection too. The 2 wire, we go carry power supply come. Now you go come enter the DC Sumo driver. For the hub, that one na series connection. Where we say when you push all the changeover hub, you go series all the solar panel to give you the total voltage. Now the engineer don't check them. The connection they proper. So it don't put the changeover down. The connection is proper. Now engineer don't plug the power supply to the driver of the sumo. Immediately the power supply being plugged, if you push the changeover down, it go power the thing. May we move the camera closer. May you see them. You see say the wiring they neat. Well.
The summary about this connection is that when all the changeover being dragged down, all of them is going to supply 85 volts. So checking the voltage through the two cables here, all of them will supply 85 volts. This is the positive. 84 to 85 to 84 volts. So let me read this from here. 85 volts. Down is parallel. So by pushing all of them up, this is series. It's going to be 200 and something volts now. Here is 257 volts. The 257 volts will be connected to the kitchen inside the house to power the electric cooker and water heater and pressing iron. To pump water, to drag this switch now. Don't drag the first one and pin it down before dragging the other one. So drag all of them. Make sure you have off all of them before pushing them down. So now, plugging the second socket, the system will power on. You can see the controller is on. So from here we will now connect to the DC pump.
Now the engineer don't put them, so the controller don't on. So you see say the water don't they come. The water don't they come out with very big high pressure. So all the chicken right there for this area go there use water proper now. So the high pressure of the water is interesting. Well. So you see say the installation it done dey successful. Well. Now all those chicken go come off for there. We go turn that place to fish pond. Since water they come out now. Inside this compound, na fish pond we go take all of them do. Na so the owner won't do them. Since water they there every day now. All the chicken will get transferred to another building. Now we are turn that place to fish pond. Na fish they there now.
The water is pumping now by dragging this changeover down. The water will start pumping. It is evening time already. So if I take it off, the pumping machine will off. If I push it up like this, the electric cooker inside the kitchen will on. So the water that we are pumping here is used to do fish pond.
Now that sumo we take pump all those water where you dey see for the fish pond, because na the sumo we go dey work from morning to evening every day. Now in feed that big place for those fish food there now. Na big investment to do this kind of agriculture. If you do this kind of agriculture now, you go to make millions of money, because now this won't be the operation feed Ibejuleki. Now the department where we dey train chicken, now it be this. Here, now the chicken section, you go see turkey now. No, those are the turkey. So when we go back to the riverside, you can see all those fish inside the pool, inside the pond. You can see this one na catfish. So you see them, the food there, because na agriculture, big agriculture be this one. This one na the other fish pond where then go put fish very soon. Now the pumping machine, now that sumo, now it go still pump water. Now in the pump water for the whole compound. Now fish pond compound be this. You where they do the kind of business where we say you they do fish business, you they suffer for water. It's better you take action now. May you contact our number. May we do this kind of projects for you. Make you they get water to do your business. Make you they run your business proper. Water no go be your problem again. You go get freedom now. May we carry you go inside the house. May we go show you the solar cooker. This one no be even solar cooker, na the conventional cooker wey dey your house before wey you dey use for NEPA, wey you dey take NEPA power supply use. Na him we use for this solar panel. You see say engineer don carry water wey him go pour on top of the face of the cooker. Na him you go take know say that cooker don hot. So na the cooker wey dey get glass for face, na him be the cooker wey we use there. You see say lights dey inside the house, na our fuelless generator na him dey work there. So as engineer dey pour water for the face of the cooker, e go dey dry immediately because the cooker don hot proper. The cooker is very hot now. It's connected to the DC power supply, so it can cook food now.